Here is how I organize my pearl cotton threads for embroidery. We do this in 4th grade, and I'll show you exactly how I do this. These are the actual threads from our logo, perhaps not quite so neatly arranged. They're all on a brass ring, and I simply swirled the ring as I put it down. So here's the brass ring. I'll show you how I get the threads on the brass ring. Here are the lengths of pearl cotton, cut conveniently just about the sewing length. I'll show you in a separate video how to do that. I have a brass ring here. I do like to use a ring so that the colours appear in a colour wheel, as it were. Some people use a coat hanger, but then they're all just in a straight line. Let me show you how I attach it. So it's a lark's head knot. I go over and then I pull the threads through like this. And they should of course all be consistent, all of the knots in the same, facing in the same direction. Now how to get a thread off. I tell the children it's like a little horse or a pony. You hold the tail very gently, and then you pull one thread at a time. And it is very important to just pull one at a time. So it's like taking hold of the reins. This is the cross part here, the parts that go across. Don't pull it here, don't pull it there. Don't pull more than one. Pull one of the reins very carefully and slowly while gently holding onto the tail. If you hold it too tight, it's not going to come out. If you hold it too loosely, it looks like it's tangled, but it won't be, but it still is disconcerting. So pull one thread at a time, like this. See how it's bunching up a little bit here under my hand, but because my hand is holding the main part here smoothly, I'm just pulling one thread out at a time. And there I have one thread ready to sew with. Let me show you that again. So here is a little pony. I'm holding his tail very gently. Maybe I'm smoothing out his tail, combing it, making it smooth. Here's the cross piece. I pull one rein at a time, and I make sure it's just one. So the children can help themselves to whatever color as they choose. The other benefit of this system is that they can look at various different colors and put them together and say, well, you know, would I put this green with this yellow? So they can kind of put it together and say, you know, do these colors sing together? Would I use those together? Or what about using a different kind of a yellow? How would it be with that? Would they be kind of singing a different song? And it gives a better idea than just guessing, really, or just thinking about it. Would these go together? What kind of a song would they be singing? So they can crisscross all across the colour wheel. It looks tangled now, but it isn't. One of the benefits of this kind of system too is that if children need a little break or need sort of a time out, they can just very gently smooth these threads, and it's incredibly therapeutic for them to sort and make order and just kind of bathe in these colours. So I hope you enjoy this. I certainly have.